Hey everyone, today I'm going to be talking about the Eco Style Professional Styling Gel with olive oil. So, as I said, this is a styling gel. So, you use it, make sure not to apply heat to your hair afterwards. Like, you don't want to use this and then straighten your hair because that's going to cause really bad damage to your hair. But this is a styling gel, so it's mainly used for if you have like natural hair or curly hair or things like that. Maybe even if you have wavy hair, but it's mainly for like just frizzy, unruly, coarse hair. It does here though say here that it's for all hair types, so I mean even if you don't have like really curly hair but your hair is really frizzy, this could work for you. Moisturizes hair and scalp, tames frizz, no flake, no track, and anti-itch. This is max hold, so it's 10. So even though it says for all hair types, I really just would recommend that you don't use it if you have like fine hair, straight hair, or anything like that, because it's not going to do what it's supposed to. And even though it's anti-flake, it's probably going to get flaky in your hair because it's not really, because it's max hold, and so you should only use this if you have like really thick, coarse, frizzy hair. So the packaging says about Eco Style olive oil. So it says Eco Style olive oil styling gel is made with 100% pure olive oil. Olive oil helps your scalp naturally regulate its own moisturizing system. Olive oil helps attract moisture to the scalp and holds it in. Like all our styling gels, it is weightless and will leave your hair with a healthy shine and superior hold. And I mean, I think it's pretty accurate. My hair does stay when I use it. I don't use it too often because I typically tend to straighten my hair, but when I do use it, it does have a nice weightless, my hair does have like a nice weightless feel to it. So that being said, it's not going to do anything for shrinkage of your curls. So if you use this, it definitely tames frizz, but it doesn't weigh my curls down to where my hair does still shrink up a lot. So if you're looking for something that's going to not cause a lot of shrinkage, or that's going to reduce and prevent shrinkage if you have really curly hair, this is not the product for you. However, if you like your shrinkage and you want your hair to be super curly, this would definitely work for you. The max 10 hold is going to keep frizz at bay without sacrificing the shape of your curls. So yeah, when I wear my hair curly, it depends what mood I'm in. Sometimes I want shrinkage and sometimes I want it to look really long even when it's curly. So it just kind of depends on my mood when I use this. And so yeah, and then it has your directions. Apply to dry or wet hair, work desired amount through hair and style. Then you have your main ingredient, which is water. The tub here is recyclable, so that's good to know. I've only ever applied it to wet hair. I've never applied it to my hair when it's dry. The only time I may have applied it to my hair when it's dry is when my hair is already like styled and I put it in a tight bun, and like throughout the day I notice that there's some flyaways. So I'll use a little bit of gel to like smooth it down, but that's really it. I've never actually applied it to all of my hair with my hair dry. So that's just an FYI. I don't know what would happen. I don't know what it would look like. I imagine it would just give it like a wet look, make it look greasy in my opinion, but it might not. I could be wrong. So if you want to try it, go for it, but just know that I can't really speak to that because I've never used it in that way. I've never used it like that. So when you first buy the product, you do have to twist open the cap, which seems like I've closed it way too tight because I can't open it. But you do have to twist open the cap because it has a covering around the top that you have to peel off before you can actually use the product, which is nice. I really like products that come like that because then I know at the store when I bought it. If you order it online, you don't have to worry about this, but if you like buy it at a store, like especially like a department store like Walmart or something, there's a chance that someone has probably opened it, maybe stuck their hands in it to feel it, the texture, or smell it or something. So it's really nice that it comes with that paper covering over the top that you have to peel off before you can actually use it. And then after that, you only have to twist it open the one time, and then it has a pop top, and it's completely open, and it's really nice and wide, so it's easy to get your whole hand in there when it starts getting to the bottom of the product, so without like at least for me, my hand, I can get my fingers in there without it getting all over my hand, if that makes sense. I can kind of just go in like that, and it doesn't get like all over my hands, which is really, really nice. So I do a little bit of this. So it's not too sticky. I don't know if you can see that. It's not too sticky. It is a little sticky, of course, because it is gel. It doesn't have too much of a scent to it either. Like it's not perfumey. It's pretty, I would say it's pretty odorless. So if that's what you like, then it's odorless. My only complaint about this is the packaging, is that the top, I don't feel like it closes all the way, so I'd be a little bit weary of traveling with this. And because of the way the tub is, it'd be kind of difficult to put some in another thing, in another container. So like it just doesn't really close all the way, or you have to like try really hard. Oh, it does close all the way, but you have to like, it's weird. I don't feel like it's ever really closed all the way. So yeah, but overall I do really like this gel, and I'll probably continue to use it on my hair for a while. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this video.